In today's health headlines, how living in a tree-filled neighborhood benefits your health. Free COVID test kits will become available next month for you. And the EEE virus has caused the first death in the Northeast for this outbreak. Joining me is Dr. Arjun Venkatesh, Chair of Emergency Medicine for Yale School of Medicine and Yale Medicine. Welcome.
Hi, thanks for having me.
All right, this is interesting. A study found that living in tree-filled areas can reduce your risk of heart disease. This is really interesting.
Yeah, no, it's fascinating. What the study was done is done in Louisville, Kentucky, and it was a randomized trial, so really one of the better forms of doing one of these studies. And what they did is they took a variety of low and middle income communities across and neighborhoods really around Louisville, and they planted a lot of extra trees in some of them. And then they started getting blood samples from people that lived in these neighborhoods and tracked them with surveys to understand what happened to their health outcomes. And they found that the people that lived in the neighborhoods that had more trees planted in them, that had twice as many trees, were less likely to develop heart disease and other markers of things that could put you at risk of having a heart attack. And so in some ways, it really does go to show you that nature can be a quite healthy intervention in our lives.
Kind of a zen, perhaps.
Yeah.
Free COVID test kits are planned to become available in late September. How do we get them? How many do you get? And COVID is back. It never left, right?
Yeah, it never left, but it's undoubtedly back. I think we don't really know, will COVID always follow the same seasonal pattern every year yet? It seems like this year we're starting to see a lot more cases already now in the late summer. It's not going to be a midwinter disease like we often think about influenza. HHS has recognized this. What they did is they made a big announcement, the federal government did this week, to say that they're going to issue 4 free COVID test kits to anyone around the country. It'll be posted on their COVID test website pretty soon. And then anybody can request those to have those tests at home. The other important thing is to make sure you get vaccinated. Those doses will be available within a couple weeks as well. And it would be timely to get that as soon as it's available in your community.
All right. A New Hampshire adult has died after being infected with EEE virus from a mosquito, marking the first death in the Northeast during this outbreak. How do we stay safe?
Yeah, so EEE is Eastern Equine Encephalitis. It comes up in the news every few years. This year seems to be particularly more challenging. Many people may have heard of some similar cases in Massachusetts where the public health department actually put out a warning. It seems that there are sort of higher numbers of mosquitoes out this fall in the New England area, and that some more of these mosquitoes are carrying this virus. It's a really, really rare disease. You should not be afraid to go outside. You should not be afraid that if you get a mosquito bite that you're going to get this. On the other hand, when we know, given that how deadly this disease can be, that it is out there in mosquitoes, it is really important to make sure you use mosquito repellent, wear sleeves, do other personal protective measures to really reduce the number of mosquito bites you or really your children or older adults get. It's really the youngest and oldest that can often get most impacted by this, and the easiest prevention is just preventing getting a mosquito bite in the first place.
Yeah, and get rid of any standing water around your house.
Exactly.
Dr. Arjun Venkatesh, thanks so much. Have a great day.
Thank you.